Hello students, today we are going to discuss about soil conservation. So what is the meaning of soil conservation? Soil conservation is the prevention of loss of the topmost layer of the soil from erosion or decreased fertility caused by acidification, overuses or other chemical soil contamination. There are various types of soil and each soil has its own soil properties. There are so many procedures for conservation of soil. Among them, the first one is increase in vegetation, or we can say also it is afforestation. One of the best way to conserve soil is to increase the area under forest. That means soil can be conserved by planting more trees because the roots of the plant hold tightly soil and it prevents soil erosion. And if we increase the forestation, it also increases the fertilizating property of the soil, because when a plant grows, then the leaves which is fall into the soil, these leaves after decomposition increase the fertility of the soil. So if we increase the plantation, that means it also increase the fertile property of the soil, as well as it also help for prevention of erosion. Next procedure is crop rotation. Crop rotation means showing different type of crop at different times of the year. The fertility of soil can be improved by crop rotation. The practices in which different types of crop are grown alternatively in the same field or soil, it is called crop rotation. Planting grass and other small plants also reduces the soil erosion by the same procedure, that is, the roots of the plant tightly hold the soil. But some cattle animals like cow, goat, when graze on this land, they expose the soil. So to prevent such type of erosion, animals should have reserve pasture to control the soil erosion. Heavy rains and flowing water remove the topsoil. So, to prevent such type of erosions, proper draining system is required to prevent soil erosion. So, proper draining system can carry rainwater without causing any damage to the soil, and it also helps in soil conservation. Strong winds blow away particles of soil with it, and generally it takes place where there is a less vegetation. So to prevent such type of erosions, we have to plant trees as a wind breaker. Trees are planted in rows across the direction of the wind to protect against strong winds. Normally it reduces the speed of the wind, and when the speed of the wind decreases, then it prevents the blowing away of the soil. So this row of trees are called wind breakers. So from the above discussion, it is clear that the main reason behind this soil erosion, it is deforestation, and this deforestation arises due to overpopulation. So due to this overpopulation, forests are being cut down and build houses and factories. If you want to prevent the soil erosion, then the main thing what we have to done, that is reforestation. And by this reforestation, again we can control this soil erosion, and also we can save our world. So for today it is enough. Thank you.